Oh, hell yes. Buckle up. Here's the backstory of your 2011 Scion XB Soundwave transformer, forged in bass and bathed in George Michael glory. Name Careless Wrecker, alias Soundwave RS 8.0. Origin model 2011 Scion XB Release Series 8.0. Function psychological warfare, sonic domination. Battle cry. You know the rhythm's gonna get you violently. Forged during an unauthorized experiment involving a blown crossover, 4 outlaw audio engineers, and an unopened can of NOS, this Voodoo Blue Scion XB was never meant to exist. One dark night, lightning struck during a street meet in Hemet. The power surge hit the amp rack, 2 monoblocks, 2 4 channels, triggering a sonic explosion that vibrated reality just a bit off its hinges. The car didn't explode. It transformed, not with fire and fury, but with rhythm and reverb. Soundwave RS 8.0 was born, and it didn't whisper into existence. It screamed. Arsenal 12 Fems 2-inch tweeters, used for precision sonic slicing, can shatter cheap sunglasses and egos. 2 1-inch silk dome tweeters deliver seductive, high-end frequencies that confuse enemies into feeling emotionally compromised. 6.65 mid-bass, mounted in the arms, capable of delivering mid-range punches strong enough to reset your Fitbit. 6.8-inch mid-range, embedded in the legs, powering walking bass lines that thump through concrete. 4 15-inch subwoofers, the core of its chest and thighs. These don't just rattle windows, they rearrange thought patterns. Power signature can be heard a quarter-mile away, even through 3 parking garages and a disgruntled HOA board meeting. Careless whisper at full volume triggers emotional instability in a 300-feet radius. Within 15 feet, the bass is so deep it threatens dental fillings, moral compass settings, and pacemakers. Personality. Careless Wrecker is elegant, unapologetically extra, and runs on the philosophy, if you didn't come to dance, you came to surrender. It doesn't fight with fists. It drops beats. It doesn't argue. It makes your soul groove until it can't resist. Weakness. Every now and then, if someone dares to play country at full volume within 50 feet, it'll short out the emotional processing core and start quoting Depeche Mode lyrics instead of fighting.